Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and we got our first payout on this series. So, as you guys can see, here's the certificate. I just pasted it, put it here on TradingView. $251. Yes, it is not a big payout at all. It is literally like $1 above the minimum payout you're allowed to have on these accounts on the Tradify Select account. As you can see, OEK, that's my name, $251 on July 29th. Today is July 30th. All right. So literally yesterday we requested the payout. And yeah, let's look over here. So the account is at $52,100. So this is literally the buffer. So the buffer on these accounts is $2,100. So I was up $52,351, and I pretty much requested 251. Which after the 90% split, it's literally $226 into my bank account, which is, not a lot of money, but hey, it's money from trading, I can't complain. But yeah, so this is the payout. Obviously, let me show you. Wait, right over here. Yeah, you can see it. Okay, so as you can see, payout certificate right over here. And this is my TradeZilla dashboard. Obviously, so far we took 3 trades. This says 2 trades, but again, if you've seen the last episode, you just know that I accidentally pressed long instead of short, so I immediately closed the position and then went short. Just like a mistake, I misclick on my end. So pretty much like 3 trades, 3 wins. Today, I did not take anything, but let me show you the trade I took yesterday to pretty much secure the payout. And if you guys follow the space, you know that there's a new, I mean, it's not a new setup, obviously. It's pretty much a 930 Judah swing, but some people might call it like a patty swing. I like to call it the patty swing. So pretty much 930 opened. Let me go to the 30 seconds. We had this 15-minute unfilled gap here at the top. Let me go back because I was already out with my take profit at this point. So 930 was about to open. We manipulated to that 15 seconds, 15 minute right over here, and then like immediately displaced lower. And my entry was pretty certain. So I did not take any inversion. I at first I wanted to actually like top tick this shit. But I ended up like playing it a little bit more safe, and like I entered around over here for like a 1 to 1.8. I ended up taking like a 1.84, something like that. So that was literally my trade, because my original like take profit was like right over here at this sell side, but I ended up like choking the trade, choking the stop loss, and then I got stopped out for $900 profit. So somewhere over here, I think, or maybe the next candle. Yeah, somewhere over here, I got stopped out for around $900 in profit, which was around over here, like somewhere here. So I got stopped out here in profit, and obviously it kept going lower a little bit, but then like retraced all the way higher. But this was pretty much the trade I took. You can't really see the executions from yesterday. Only like it resets every single day. But let me go over to my TradeZilla. You can see it right over here. Like literally open time 9:30:17. Very, very, very nice trade. Let me show you the execution. Wait, let's go to trade details. You can see right over here. So that was like literally my execution. Can you go to the 30 seconds here? Yeah, you can. Why is it not showing? Okay, let's go back to the 1 minute. Never mind. So yeah, I entered right around here at 9:18, and then I exited over here at, here. And that was pretty much the trade. $905 gross P&L, and then we ended up netting 899. And yeah, that's the trade. So that was the trade that brought the account to $2,351 in profit. And then what I ended up doing is withdraw $251 because why not? You know what I mean? Like, no one said you have to hit like the max payouts every single time. You can just take, the smaller payouts, because why not? $250 is literally another 2 accounts, and in some firms, even 3 accounts. But yeah, like I just wanted to show you guys. Obviously, today I did not take anything. So today I did not take any trade at all. We had this huge like move to the upside. The only trade I could have possibly taken was again the paddy swing that literally worked perfectly. So we pretty much market opened lower, manipulate into that 15-minute gap, and then we got the 30-second inversion. I did not take it personally because I wanted to see price move a little lower to like towards an hourly unfilled gap and not a 15-minute. But and as well, look at the inversion. So when the inversion is like the body of the candle is like 10 points, but then the top wick is 27 points, I do not like to take inversions like these. Like when the top wick is like huge, but the actual body is like 10 points, then I didn't like I don't like these type of inversions. But overall, you could have taken this and easily got like a 1 to 2, a 25-point stop. That's usually what I go for. And then 1 to 2 R, which is for 50 points. You would have literally like, yeah, you literally hit take profit like very, very fast, like be done 9:36. But I did not take it. I faded the setup just because, yeah, I wanted to see price go a little lower, and the inversion was not the best. It was like a very mechanical pattern trade, which was a good pattern trade, honestly. But again, it's a pattern trade. I faded it, which is totally fine. Like if you faded this too, it's all good. Yeah, like missing a trade costs you nothing, but taking a stupid bad trade and then it loses like will cost you a lot of money. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to show you guys. Yeah, so honestly, this is what this series was all about. Obviously, I'm gonna keep it going because the goal is to show you guys that I'm literally I took a brand new, fresh 50K evaluation account, right? From zero. Every single trade is documented. Every single trading day is documented. Like you've seen it. I've showed you everything from a fresh 50,000 evaluation account all the way to now a payout. Now, obviously, this is a very, very small payout considering like, what you see on social media. This is not a big payout at all. It is definitely a nice daily profit. A lot of people make $250 per day, not even make $250 per day by working for 8 hours, making 20 bucks an hour. So I'm definitely like, yeah, it's money. It's definitely money. And at the end of the day, yeah, at the end of the day, a payout is a payout, and yeah, this is what the series is all about. This is what trading is about. Obviously, $250, you can literally get 2 more accounts with this and then have $50 left. I'm not gonna get more accounts yet. Why? Because I want to show you guys that you can take it slow, no need to rush. Right? We got a small payout. Let's go for another payout. Hopefully a max payout next. Okay, I'm gonna aim for like a $1,000, which is like the max daily payout you can take on these accounts. So I'm gonna aim for that max payout, $1,000 a day. And hopefully, once we get it, I'm gonna use that $1,000 to get like 2 or 3 more accounts, and then from there, we keep going and we keep going and scaling and scaling. But I'm so happy I have this all documented. Like this was the entire like purpose for the series, like to show you guys how I took. As long as you have the skill of trading, you literally can take a fresh new 50K evaluation that cost me $100 and turn it into $250 in like a few weeks, right? Which is not amazing, but then another payout and another payout and another payout and another account, another account, another account, and bang, you can be making $10,000 a month. Like, obviously, it's not easy. You need to know what you're doing. Like, you need to have the skill of trading, which is the hard part. But once you have the skill of trading, I'm just showing you guys what's possible once you know how to trade properly. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we got a payout, which is, the first step in order to get 5 figures a month from trading is to get your first payout. And once you got your first payout, we keep it going. We keep getting more payouts and then we keep scaling the accounts. We keep getting more accounts. And that's pretty much it. And then eventually scaling to other firms. So I'm going to be max allocated on Tradify soon. And then we're going to, do max allocation on Lucid or Apex or whatever firm you want to do. And then you know, you have 30 accounts, you make $500, $1,000 per account. That's a big $20,000, $30,000 day. And yeah, that's the goal. So thank you guys for watching. We got our first payout in the series, and let's keep it going. Hopefully, let's keep trading. Have a good day, guys.